Hello everybody, in this next video. So in this video we will try to make a solution for this third project. Maybe this is a very simple one, but okay, let's do it. We'll write a code that takes one value from the user and tells if the value is negative or not. Try to use boolean variable. If strictly positive, return true, otherwise false. Actually, this kind of exercises can be tackled by using the if-else conditions, but we will not see this in this video. We will see it in the next videos, and so we will try just to solve the problem by using what we have seen and lesson number 1. Okay, so let's do it. So actually we will try to take a value from the user at first. Okay, x equal float input, and here give a value, right? So now we have value. Okay, now we will check if this value is positive or not. So boolean equal, here x superior from 0, right? So here we will print boolean and we will see the result, right? Okay, let's give a positive value, so it gives true. Let's try to put a negative value. Okay, false, and also for 0 value. So we made a condition and we took this condition and we pass it to this boolean variable. So actually this variable will take true if this condition is verified. It will take false if it's not. Okay, so this is all for this video. So see you next time and the next lesson. Stay tuned. Goodbye.